Question: what is the full form of WLL? Answer: wireless in local loop. Next question: CD RW. Answer: information can be read and rewritten. Next question: which is also called the brain of computer? Answer: it is called CPU. Next question: which of these scroll bars is used to view the hidden content of the window? Answer: vertical. Next question: dash command is used to delete text or graphic after that the information is stored on the clipboard so that it can be pasted. Answer: cut. Next question: dash is an example of an input device. Answer: keyboard. Next question: to select an entire row in the table, dash. Answer: clicking on the address of the cell. Next question: an error in the program that produces wrong or inappropriate results is called answer: bug. Question: what is virtual memory? Answer: the memory of the hard disk which the CPU uses as extend RAM. Next question: dash is the process of carrying out commands. Answer: fetching. Next question: to teach language like Fortran, Alagol, Pascal, etc. it is a stone of foundation. Answer: basic. Next question: dash is also called the brain of computer. Does data processing? Answer: central processing unit. Next question: dash is Ethernet. Answer: LAN. Next question: dash is a symbol that represent any character or combination of characters. Answer: wildcard. Next question: there are normalization, the process of generating small stable data structure from complex set of data while designing a relation database. Next question: the language which the computer understand and execute is called answer: machine language. Question: there are steps in data processing. Answer: recording to classify serialization. Next question: CPU has answer: a control unit and an arithmetical logical unit. Next question: if the dash is not there, the computer cannot boot. Answer: operating system. Next question: dash are computer language used on the internet. Answer: Java. Next question: to store computer data and perform calculations, we use dash number system. Answer: binary. Next question: dash is a blinking indicator which tells you where your next action will be. Answer: cursor. Next question: the part of the CPU that coordinate and controls the activities of all other devices on the computer is called answer: control unit. Next question: to increase a copy of clipboard content at the insert point which has just been cut or copied, it is called answer: paste. Question: who used the first punch card? Answer: Joseph Mary. Next question: dash is the result given by the computer. Answer: output. Next question: the string of 8 zeros and keys first is called dash. Answer: byte. Next question: in which you can sort the slide of a presentation. Answer: slide sorter view. Next question: which button is pressed to end the slideshow? Answer: X key, minus key, or Control plus break. Next question: when did the use of electronic analog computers start? Answer: since 1950. Next question: dash key initiate the start. Answer: Windows.